Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from an Android device to Samsung Galaxy M23. Begin by launching Play Store on both and getting free app called Send Anywhere. When it's ready, launch it. Then tap on the same options in both apps to set them up. Begin by hitting I agree and I acknowledge at the top. Then select Confirm, Continue and Allow. In this window though, about new updates, you can tap on Not Now or close it right away by hitting OK. Then tap on your device's displays and select Send at the bottom left corner of an Android. Then Receive right next to Send at the bottom of Samsung. Also on an Android, using all of those categories at the top, select Multiple files to transfer. I will go with only a couple though, just for example. When you finished, hit Send next to Selected at the bottom. Tap on Got it in Here's Some Tip pop-up and pick one of those connection ways. To connect by inputting this key, click on Input Key section. Type in all of those numbers before they expire. And click on Receive. To scan the QR code though, use scanning icon above User Guide. Close an ad. Allow camera access in the pop-up and point it at the code. Then wait as well. As you can see, after that, all of my files were successfully transferred. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!